Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, get in the flow as you get into the swing of this Instability Row on the path of least resistance.
Clip your leashes very high up on the left and right chains of a sturdy swing. Facing the swing, put your hands through the handles so they tighten around your wrists. Playing back to tighten the leashes. Step one foot onto the seat of the swing. When you follow with your other foot, you will be completely suspended off the ground. If you didn't clip high enough, you will end up grounded on your back. While maintaining a solid plank, proceed to do a full body row, squeezing your shoulder blades together, contracting your rhomboids in towards your spine. Control the extension of this exercise, lowering down gradually to maximize muscle intensity, mitigate joint strain, and minimize your swinging motion. When you finish, pull your elbows back to dismount and be sure to wipe the seat for the next customer. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Challenge your core as your back strength grows with Instability Rows on the path of least resistance.